Hey guys, Reed with Ozark Trailer Sales. What we got here today is the Bad Boy 4035. This one's got the hydrostat. It's of course four-wheel drive, but the thing that's really going to set this one apart is the Grapple. This customer opted for the third function valve and the 70-inch Grapple, which is also made by Bad Boy right here in Arkansas, which we're very proud to say. He went with a 4-foot box blade as well, and then a 5-foot cutter, which right now on a lot of your Bad Boy tractors you get a free 5-foot cutter. So something to keep in mind. But not only does he have the dependability of this tractor, but he's also got the dealership here. So we at Ozark Trailer Sales stand behind this equipment, and we realize that you can get a Bad Boy tractor in, a number of places. But you're not only buying a Bad Boy tractor, you're buying the dealership, you're buying our service department, our parts department, the people that are going to work diligently to make sure your equipment stays up and running, and that equipment like the third function valve and this Grapple are installed properly. And that's what you're getting here, along with the dependability of a Bad Boy tractor. So whatever you need, whether it's trailers, equipment, tractors, implements, brush cutters, snow pushers, just holler at us and we'll get you taken care of.